رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. You are watching Sami Al Quran online classes. Inshallah, in today's class we will start Noorani Qaida second lesson. If you want to read Quran online at home with live classes for kids and adults from qualified Quran tutors, visit now samialquran.com and register for 3 days free trial classes. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In last class we learned the joining letters like lesson number 2, joining letters. In this lesson we understand the different shapes of the letters and dots of the letters because it is very important lesson to understand properly. When we understand this lesson properly, like different shapes of the letters, the dots of the letters, when we go in the Quran, so then easy for us to understand and find the different shapes of the letters and the dots. So that's why it is very important lesson. Be read carefully. So I will read first and you should practice after me. So today we will start from Ya Ha. So here the first one is Ya in purple color. It has 2 dots in the bottom, and the black one is Ha. So just remember that we have 5 letters in the same shape like Ba, Ta, Tha, Noon and Ya. These 5 letters comes in same shape but difference has with the dots, like Ba has 1 dot in the bottom, Noon has 1 dot on the top, Ya has 2 dots in the bottom and Ta has 2 dots on the top, and Tha has 3 dots on the top. So that's why you read carefully. Let's read now. Ya Ha, Ya Ha. Here the first one is Ya, which has 2 dots in the bottom, and the black one is Ha. So we read Ya Ha. Next. Ba Jim, Ba Jim. And here the purple one is Ba because it has 1 dot in the bottom, and the black one is Jim. So we say Ba Jim. You have to remember just that Ba has 1 dot in the bottom and Noon has 1 dot on the top. And we have 3 letters in same shape like Jim, Ha and Kha. These 3 letters comes in same shape but they are different as with the dots. Like Jim has 1 dot in the middle, Ha is without dot, and Kha has 1 dot on the top. So just read carefully. Repeat again. Ba Jim. Next. Ya Mim, Ya Mim. And here the purple one is Ya and the black one is Mim. So just remember that Ya has 2 dots in the bottom and Ta has 2 dots on the top. So let's read now. Ya Mim, Ya Mim. Next. Ba Mim, Ba Mim. And here the purple one is Ba, which has 1 dot in the bottom, and the black one is Mim in the different shape. So just remember that Ba has 1 dot in the bottom and Noon has 1 dot on the top. So read again. Ba Mim, Noon Mim, Noon Mim. And here is Noon in the purple color and meme is in the black because noon has one dot on the top. So that's why we read noon meme. Next, ta meme, ta meme. And here the purple one is the ta because it has two dots on the top. Remember that ya has two dots in the bottom. Don't forget that. So read again. Tamim. Next. Thamim. Thamim. And also tha has three dots on the top. Thamim. Baya, baya, and here the purple one is ba. You just remember that the colors of the letters. So here the ba letter in the purple color. So look here, the dot comes in the purple color. So just understand that the letter and the dot are same here. So the ba in the purple color. So look here, the dot is also in the purple color. So read baya. Next, ya, 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 noon, ya, noon, ya, ta, ya, ta, ya, fa, ya, fa, ya. And here you remember ba, ya, noon, ta, tha. These 5 letters are coming in same shape, but we have difference with the dots. Look here, ba has 1 dot in the bottom, ya has 2 dots in the bottom, noon has 1 dot on the top, ta has 2 dots on the top, and tha has 3 dots on the top. So just read carefully. So we go on the next. Here we have 3 letters like noon, ba, lam, noon, ba, lam. And here you understand properly the noon letter coming in the black color. So look here, the dot is in the black color. And the next letter ba, ba is in the purple color. So look on the dot. So dot is also in the purple color. So the up 1 dot is noon and bottom 1 dot is the ba. So we say noon, ba, lam, noon, ba, lam, ta, noon, lam, ta, noon, lam. And here black one is ta and purple one is noon and the black one is lam. So read again. Ta, noon, lam. Next. Ba, ya, lam, ba, ya, lam, ya, ta, lam, ya, ta, lam. So remember, ya has 2 dots in the bottom always and ta has 2 dots on the top. So read again. Ya, ta, lam, ya, ta, lam. Next. Tha, tha, lam, tha, tha, lam, noon, ba, noon, noon, ba, noon. And here you see the first one is noon, which is in the black color, and also dots is in the black color. So the first one is noon, and the middle one, the purple one, is ba because it has 1 dot in the bottom, and the last one is again noon. So we read Noon, ba, noon. Next. Ba, noon, noon. And here the first one is ba, which is in the black color. The middle one is noon, which is in purple color. And the last one is noon, which is in black color. Ba, noon, noon. Ba, noon, noon. Ta, ya, noon. Ta, ya, noon. Ta, ya, noon. Next. Ya, ta, noon. Ya, ta, noon. Ya, ta, noon. Fa, fa, noon. Fa, fa, noon. So here we bind up our second lesson part 2. Inshallah, we will continue next part in next class. So I hope you understand this lesson properly. Thank you for watching this video. If you didn't subscribe our channel Sami Al Quran online classes, so please subscribe our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all new videos. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.